Buonasera, welcome to another episode of Regional Italian Cuisine. Of course, my name is Caterina Borsato, and on this program, we're going back to that wonderful region of Lombardia, Lombardy for our viewers at home, in the northern part of Italy. Primarily, we're going to a region of Cremona, of which Crema is one of the towns within this province, and it is an amazing place. We've already covered it once before, and we're going to be introducing, of course, my dear friend Antonella Giovanelli, who has come out to this fine country nearly 7 years ago, 2005, and she has embarked, of course, on a culinary journey here in this country. Now, this region, of course, is famous for many things. Aside from Milano itself, which is big commerce and industry, this area is big on charcuterie, cheeses, oils, polenta, risotti, and these of course are some of the dishes that we're going to be concentrating on today. So let's go and meet with Antonella, and she's going to take us through some special recipes with some special guests, because she has been joined by two very, very special women in her life that have come all the way from Italy to be on our show. So let's go meet with Antonella. Allora, Antonella, thank you for coming on the show and welcome back.
Thank you so much, Caterina. I'm very happy I'm here with you in the show.
And we're happy that you're here because I know lots of skill in these hands. Now, Antonella, tell me something. You're very, very excited because you have two very special people that have come all the way from Italy, yes?
Yes, my mom and my auntie come from Italy. She stay here with me very short time, but I'm very happy for this short time.
And of course, to recap on that, as you may recall or may not recall, Antonella, of course, comes from a fairly long line of restaurateurs back in Crema, where her story started in Brescia, so always in the same region. And she, well, I think it's something like 5 generations of restaurateurs, and she was working in the family restaurant with her mother, Lina, and of course her zia, Paolina. So they've come here to see what she's done here in Australia, because we are here at Assaggi Italiani in Melbourne. What a great place.
I'm very happy they're here with me, and in this short time they cook with me. I feel back in Italy.
Feel like you're back in Italy?
Yes.
Yeah. Do they love the produce here?
Yes, a lot. They like the produce here because the product is very good.
Yes.
And they can use that and test it. They go and very enjoy from that.
Oh, isn't that fantastic? Now, what is going to be the first recipe that we're going to see tonight?
Okay, the first recipe is the antipasto with the figs, prosciutto from Parma, 1 little cake with potato spinach, one sauce with 1 cheese from Sardinia. Sardinia. And it's very particular, this cheese is a pecorino.
Which is made from ewe's milk, of course.
It's very, very good.
Of course, for our viewers at home, figs and prosciutto are a classical accompaniment, and there's nothing better than fresh figs from a tree. The store-bought figs, of course, tend to be taken unripened. They just tend to lack a bit of flavour. You can have black figs or green figs, and they are something that the Italians absolutely adore. Of course, if you don't have prosciutto, you can do melone, anything else, but it is an antipasto, something to tantalise your palate, and I think we're going to the kitchen and see how you do this.
Sure. For my first dish, I prepare 1 antipasto with the fresh figs. We use the figs when it's in the season, because it's very, very good in the season, very sweet. And this antipasto is traditional for my country. With this antipasto, start to cut the figs. It's an antipasto with the figs caramelade. For caramelize the figs, we use the balsamic vinegar, sugar, and butter. And for do that, we give them a my mom, and my mom do that for you.
Prima mettiamo l'uno, poi mettiamo zucchero.
For the little sauce, for put up the little cake, we use the pecorino cheese from Sardinia. It's one pecorino with the pepper inside, but it's very, very good. And cream. We have to put together and melting together. And my auntie can do that for you. For this dish, I use the fresh spinach, baby spinach, and I jump in the spinach in the pan with salt and pepper. I use water because the spinach has inside her water. For my little cake with spinach and potato, we use the fresh potato, red potato, and put it in the water when it boils. And when it's ready, we can take the peel and prepare the dish. When your potato is ready and your spinach is ready, we have to blend it. It's not important if it's cold or no. You have to blend it for do the little cake, and now I'll show you what I do. And this is potato and spinach, ready for the cake. Now we prepare the little cake for put in the oven, and after we can start this dish. Little bit the cream prepared before my auntie in the top of this cake, only little bit. We can put it in the oven and put 180, 200 for 10 minutes is ready. We prepare the dish. We put a little bit of salad. We put the cream, what my auntie prepared before. We have to put up this cake. We have to take the prosciutto, caramelade from my mom, and a little bit the pepper on the round on my plate. And the plate is finished.
Antonella, that was a fantastic recipe. And of course, you funked it up a little bit, didn't you, by using the aceto balsamico?
Yes.
So instead of having just fresh figs, you can make it a little bit more special.
It's good.
Is that what they do in Italy?
Yes, we do that in Italy.